Good day everyone. My name is Jericho James Gonzaga and I will show you how to use our system, which is the online bookstore. So first, I will show you how to use the system for the users. So we have here the register. So we're gonna register now. So first, we will fill up the form. Then click register now. So in the password, we need to include a one uppercase letter, one lowercase, and one special character. So now I have a mistake, which is I need to input a one uppercase. So click register now. Then after we click the register, we will go into the verification codes. Then we're gonna go to the Gmail. We will see here the verification code, then copy that and paste it here. So that's how you register in our system. So next is we're gonna log in our account. Click login now. Then if we are a first time user, we need to select our preferred genres for the recommendation system of this online bookstore. So we need to click at least one genre. So I will click science fiction and fantasy. So this is the homepage of the online bookstore. As you can see in the homepage, we have here the latest books, which is the new upload. We have One Piece, Boruto, and if we click the pictures of the books, the model will pop up and we have here the information of the book. The information includes genres, author and year, book type is digital, synopsis, and feedbacks. For the synopsis, if you are lazy enough to read the synopsis, we can click this mic button or speaker button, which will transform the text to speech. So we will try.
Boruto is a Japanese manga series written by.
That's it. Next is, if we scroll down, we will see the best-selling books. As we can see, the best-selling books is Blue Lock Volume 1, which has a total sold of 12 books. Next is Attack on Titan, total sold 10. And that's it. And this one is recommended books for us, which based on the preferred genres that we select before. Then if we click this, as you can see, genres is science fiction, and we will also have the feedback here. So we will navigate the here is the about us page, the shop page, where you can filter the books that you want to see. For example, all fantasy genre. As you can see, the all fantasy genre. Then the range price is 1 to 800. You can see 1 to 800. Next is the contact. Here in contacts, you can contact the or you can give feedback on how your experience in using this system. So next is the orders. Here's Since we have a new account, we have no order placed yet, or complete orders or cancelled order. So we're gonna try to order. So we're gonna go to home and add to cart a book, then product, added to cart. Then we will click the cart button. Then we can change here on how many books that we want to buy. So example, 8 books. 8 times 150 is 1,200. So if you want to proceed to checkout, Then here you can see the information that you need to fill up before you order. So name, telephone number, and payment method. We have online payment and cash on delivery. We're gonna try the online payment and input the zip code. Then click order now, and we will go to the payment system. So we use PayMongo. Then click GCash. We're gonna input our email address. As you can see here, the payment information. Click next. Then that we use the test payment page. Then we're gonna go there to the order page. Then as you can see here, the place order on 17th of December 2024, and Jericho Gonzaga, and the payment status is confirmed since we already paid online. So as you can see here, the note is orders cannot be cancelled once they are out for delivery. So once the order is out for delivery, you cannot cancel. The cancel order button will disappear. So that's it for now for the user's view. So next we're gonna move on to the admin. So click logout, then click logout. Then we're gonna go to admin. Then here is the admin page. We have here the dashboard, which includes the new orders within 24 hours. We have 3 total pending orders, 1 completed orders, order this month, and new messages. So if we click the products, we have here the all products that we can delete and update. So as you can see here, we can delete and update the information of the book. So if we want to add the book, we will try. For example, Porto Volume 2. Then price 200, 20 stocks. Odd Kishimoto, Ikemoto 2018. Then fighting, adventure, ninja. Then for the product description, we're gonna random that. Then for the picture, then click add product. Oh, for the book type is digital. Oh, for the, as you can see here, the volume 2 as the books is added. So next is we're gonna go to orders. So here you can see the place orders that we ordered before as a user. So if we click here, yes, out for delivery, update, then there will be an email for the users that his order is out for delivery. So you can see your order is now out for delivery. So I forgot to show you, but here are the receipt of the books payment. Then next is we're gonna complete that update. Then it's gonna go here. You can delete also the orders. You're gonna see here also the canceled orders. Next is the inventory. You can see here the current stocks, price, and availability of the books. Messages, you can see here the feedback of the users. As you can see, message is good website, user friendly, as it is true. Then sales, we have here the data analytics, which has a graph of sales this week, this month, and this year. We can download it into a PDF style. So PDF format, or let's just click this button. Then click this. Then as you can see the sales chart for this year, January 1 to December 31, 2024. If you want to download all this chart like that, just click download all charts as PDF. All charts. Then as you can see here, the three graph that we are seeing in the website is here. That's all for the admin access. So we're gonna move back to users because we can also give a feedback after we order the product. So here, so leave a feedback. Good. So we're gonna go to home. As you can see here, our feedback. Then total sold is 8, since 8 books is how much is the number of books that that we bought before. So here the feedbacks is Jericho Gonzaga good. So that's it for our user-friendly e-commerce of second-hand books, online bookstore. That's all. Thank you for watching. Thank you.